Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I want to show you what I'm going to be doing as far as journals and other bookish type things in 2026. So you've already seen this probably if you've watched my first couple of videos. Oh, look it. That was inside my journal. This is my January and February memory keeping junk journal. I use my junk journals as mostly scrapbooks and memory keeping. So that's going to be January and February's. And then I have a bunch of leftover glue book journals or collaging journals that I have not finished yet. So this one I made out of like a little Dove soapbox. I still have a few pages, actually quite a few pages left to collage on. This is good for when you only have a couple of minutes. It's real easy to finish a page when you only have a couple of minutes and your page is only 2 by 3 inches probably. So anyway, that's that. And then I have this other little mini collage book, glue book, that I need to keep working on because I don't have very many pages done in this either. I might have to I think I did already take quite a few out of here. Give you a little quick flip through because it's not very full. I use a lot of stickers in these smaller books. Life is short. Make every moment count. Little inchy page here. I'm happiest when I'm with you. This is actually my uncle and father, which I thought was neat. Both are gone now. My dad would have been 99 this year. Modern dog. I have a lot of supplies that I don't use very often because I just don't think about it. And I want to remedy that situation and go ahead and use them up. This is my Bits and Bobs glue book. I started in 2025. I just have just little bits and bobs of things that I'm collecting. Old stickers that I had, tea bag quotes, fortune cookie quotes, and that kind of thing. So, and then I have my 1 inch square book, and I haven't really done much of anything in this one. That's just 2. I probably will have to take some of those pages out too. This is my 2-inch square collages. A little bit easier to do than onesies, than inchies. And really not a whole lot in this one. I think I've done a flip through of this before. So I'll just... Whoops, I skipped a page there. I think I did this one, 2024. It was last year. I thought it was this year. Huh. Time is passing quicker than I thought. This one was this year's probably. Yeah, 2025. This is like a Halloween themed one. And that's it for this one. So I want to complete all of these this year, even if I have to take some pages out. I'm not going to do a flip through of this because there's quite a few done in here. But I want to finish this up, and I probably will have to take some more pages out. And then I have this one, which also has quite a few. Maybe I can flip it this way a little bit so you can see. I just did one, or I finished one. I added some to this one recently. It's all $signs. And there's another one with the brain that I just did. This one is really pretty. Yeah, that one is pretty. And I'm trying to find the brain one that I did. I did put some backgrounds on some. And these, I added her and a bird. And it's obviously not the right side up. I recently did this one the other day. Things that make me happy. In the background says happy, happy, happy all over and over again. And I'm trying to find the one I just did, but I can't. This one I added some flowers and a bird and words. Where did it go? Must be in the back. There it is. I just did this one. I feel like it needs something right here though. But anyway, I will have to take some more pages out of this too as well, and I want to complete that one. Then I have my little, it's a little traveler's notebook style that I made, and I just have prayers in here. Then I want to do this, the Bible in 52 weeks, a year-long Bible study. I'm doing this instead of a one-year Bible reading plan, so it's just a little bit more than just reading. In here, I write Bible verses that I'm trying to memorize, and I really don't do very well at memorizing, but I write the verse one time every day, and I memorize it for that week, but I don't really remember it. This is a prayer and gratitude journal, and every day I hope to, or almost every day, I hope to fill out, today I pray for, I thank the Lord for, today will be great because these blessings happen today, and thoughts for a better tomorrow. And then there's a Bible verse at the top of each page I was thinking I could use for my Bible writing, or I could also pick a verse from this, each week from this book. So that's that. This is my planner that I'm going to use, but I don't imagine I really need to use it that much. So what I keep track of in my planner is my bills, my income, and I don't really want to show that. I'm also going to just kind of write down real quick if I have an appointment or something that I have to do, I'll write it in here. But I also want to just do like a little recap of what I did that day. It's very interesting. I don't know how consistent I'll be with that. I did a bullet journal last year, and I kind of didn't feel like doing that. But I feel like this is going to be a little bit of overkill for me. I wanted to try and find a smaller one, but I couldn't. And then I started this verse mapping Bible study journal. And basically, it's what verse am I mapping? Write the key themes or specific words that are speaking to me today. Then I write it in different translations. I write down the Greek words or the Hebrew words that it was translated from, and then the actions or what actions develop the story in this verse, what is happening in the verse, and to whom, and then what is God saying to me today, and how can I apply this verse to my life. I've already started this last year, so I want to finish that, and I think that is my, oh, no, one more. This is my color. Actually, there should be even one more. My color notebook, and I have a little inchy notebook. It's a little notebook about the same size, but I can't find it right now. So I want to try to complete this one. I'm running out of magazine pictures and images though, and I can't find new magazines anywhere. A lot of the magazines I get have just told me they are going to stop printing them. So I'm going to have to be on the lookout for some new images. And here is the little inchy and alphabet glue book that I was telling you about. And I just made categories. Objects, green. I don't know why I didn't. I think I made this before I made my color glue book, or maybe I wanted green inchies. I don't know. Faces. Patterns. Plants. What was this one? Birds. There we go. Birds. cats. I got one cat. Oh boy, I'm going to have to remedy that. Dogs. Got plenty of dogs because I got dog magazines from the library. Farm animals. And then more birds. I guess I have 2 bird pages. These are not Inchies though. I think I forgot this was an Inchie book. Insects. And then we go, food. And then I'm going into the alphabet. I should finish this year. I could fill it all up with dogs, really. Could put feet here. G. Oh, that's a game, I guess. Not chess, but a game. H. Hawk. Yeah, I need to step up my game on this book. Nothing but QR codes here. I need to find some more queens. What else could be Q? Quarterback? I don't know what a quarterback would look like. I could put Santa here. Unicorn. I could put underwear there. Nothing for X yet. Y and Z. And I also have these 2 coloring books that I wouldn't mind finishing up this year. And so that concludes my 2026 journal / glue book / memory keeping planning layout, or not layout, but lineup for 2026. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.